Alright guys, let's go ahead and put our forward clutch assembly together for this 48RE. Please take a note that the forward clutch assembly is assembled in almost the exact same manner, whether it's a 518, 618, 46, 48, 47 RE. They all go together reasonably the same. The first thing that we have is our forward clutch retainer. I have it set up on a stand just to make it easier for the video. Then we have our input shaft and clutch hub assembly. We're going to line up the splines, drop it in place. Next we have our forward clutch apply piston. Let's go ahead and take the old lip seals off from it, replace them with new ones. And we do want to make sure that that ball is freely moving. So we'll get our old lip seals off. This piston is placed in the forward clutch hub in this position. So we want our lip seals to face down. While installing them, it is easier if they face up towards you when you hold the apply piston in this manner. We can go ahead and lube up the hub and the apply piston. This is the tool that I use when installing lip seals. There's plenty of them out there. This happens to be an old snap-on drawer extractor that I have ground down. Once we have the apply piston in place, we can go ahead and install the Bellevue spring. We're going to install the spring with the taper down. Then we have a spacer ring. You want to make sure that that spacer doesn't end up underneath the snap ring groove. Otherwise you'll never get the snap ring in place. Then we have a waved snap ring. And as I push down, I'm pushing out. And now we're ready to install the forward clutches.